Young Jamaican men, being a father is not just about providing food and shelter for your child. It is a combination of many things, of which quality time, rather than the quantity of time, becomes the most important. You can live in the same house with your child, yet the child doesn't truly know you or have a relationship with you. You can be present every day, yet share little to no emotional or psychological connection. You can give them every gift in the world: food, clothes, cars, money, the best education, and they may still feel unfulfilled if you've never been to one of their games to cheer them on or shown up for even one Father's Day. A father's role is more than just providing. It's about being present in the ways that matter. It's about showing affection, teaching life lessons, like the importance of saying, "I'm sorry" when you're wrong, and taking accountability for your actions. Understand this: you can live in the same house with your child, and yet your child can still feel fatherless. A father isn't just a provider. He's a guide, a protector, a teacher, and a source of strength. Your presence alone is good, but your active involvement is what truly shapes their lives. Be the man your child looks up to, learns from, and leans on. Because at the end of the day, the greatest gift you can give your child is you.